Pierre here, and welcome back to my channel where I talk about crypto and stocks. Shiba went absolutely ballistic today. We're going to talk about current events and we're going to take a look at the charts. So stick around. All right, welcome back. So Shiba's going absolutely ballistic, going crazy. Looking at the 24-hour volume just for today, it's ranked number 3 with over $34 billion in the last 24 hours of trading more than Ethereum, and sitting right under Bitcoin. This is insane. Let's take a look at where we're currently at on Coin Market Cap, as Shiba sits right below Dogecoin as the number 11th coin with a market cap of $28 billion. Now, earlier today, Shiba had surpassed Dogecoin with a market cap of $39 billion. But at the time of recording right now, it has definitely took a retracement back down to $28 billion, but still insane numbers. Quick little overview of the Shiba Inu token. Shiba Inu was created by Ryoshi. The starting supply was about 1 quadrillion. Ryoshi locked about 50% of it in Uniswap, then burned the other half to Ethereum co-founder Vitalik. Vitalik took the remaining 10% after the burn and donated it to the India COVID-19 relief fund. Let's take a look at the Shiba Inu ecosystem. So Shiba is a 3-coin system. There's a Shiba Inu token. There's also Leash with a total supply of 107 tokens. Leash is primarily used for rewards for holders, providing liquidity. And then there's Bone, which is a governance token. So in addition to the 3-coin system, there's Shiba Swap. There's the opportunity to provide liquidity to earn more of their governance token. This feature is called Dig. Then there's the NFTs, where you can buy and sell and trade up to 10,000 unique NFTs. There's also the Berry feature, which gives you the opportunity to stake your tokens to gain some pretty interesting rewards. There's also the Swap feature, which is a built-in DEX that gives you the opportunity to swap tokens for other tokens. There's the Bone Folio, which gives you the analytics of some of the lending pools and so on. And then the last one is the ability to farm your tokens. Moving along, I love this little interaction between the Shiba Inu account and Elon. They ask Elon how much Shiba is he holding, and he says none. So I thought it was an interesting transaction between the two. Next headline, Ethereum whale buys 277 billion tokens as Shiba Inu nears Dogecoin's market cap. So the objective is to make money. All right. I understand people say this is an S coin. This is a meme coin. I saw a chart earlier that said that 95 or 96% of the people who are currently holding SHIB are in profit, which is great. It's great to be part of a community, but the whole objective of investing is to make money. So please don't be left holding the bag. Pay yourself. Make sure that happens. So another interesting article, which I mentioned before, Shiba overtakes Doge as a rival meme coin surpasses market capitalization. So at the time of this article, Shiba had surpassed Doge's market cap at 31.3 billion compared to Dogecoin's 31.4. But as we can currently see right now on Coin Market Cap at the time of this recording, Shiba is at a 28 billion market cap as opposed to Doge's 31 billion. So there's a bit of a retracement, but still pretty impressive numbers as it continues to push forward. Next article, 3 reasons why SHIB keeps jumping higher and higher. They talked about exchange listings, increasing access to SHIB. So if you're new to crypto space, most of these coins are not available on the bigger exchanges. So when they do become available, that actually gives it a price hike. So this is one of the reasons why SHIB has been pushing, because it's been getting listed in a lot of exchanges and giving people a little bit more access to purchasing it. Next is the NFTs. SHIB had a drop that included about 10,000 individual NFTs, and the community members had about 24 hours to purchase them using the protocol's Leash token. All the NFTs have now been minted and listed on OpenSea NFT marketplace. And third is surging open interest. So the leverage market had also an advantage in helping push that price. Open interest for SHIB surged from 15 million on October 3rd to a record 178 million on October 27th, which led SHIB to spiking to an all-time high. Taking a look at the chart really quick, green hammer candle to the sky, new price discovery. We'll just have to wait and see where it consolidates on a shorter time frames to kind of come up with some support and resistance. But other than that, looks really good. If you guys purchased SHIB today or plan on purchasing SHIB, please leave a comment below. If you found any value of this video today, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.